Congratulations.
Congratulations. By the way, I'm Senior Joey from Voice Love Philippines. For the benefit of the viewers who doesn't familiar with you, kindly introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Erickson P. Gudelano Jr. IV. You can call me Eric. I'm from Rizal Province.
Okay, Eric, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Eric. My question now is, there's a lot of male pageants, right? Why do you choose MIPH?
It's always been my dream. It was way back 2017 when I dreamed of joining Mr. International Philippines, and as of now, I am really glad that I successfully joined the Mr. International Philippines. It's always been a dream come true for me, and it's not just a stepping stone, but rather it is a milestone for my life.
Okay, what makes you busy right now?
Sorry?
What makes you busy?
Yeah. Currently, I am a model here in Manila, and I've done several digital ads, TV ads, even billboards po. Yan po.
So how's your preparation leading to this pageant?
Sobrang hirap po, grabe. As you can see naman po kanina, yung mga kasama ko is well-toned yung mga body, and may hiya para sa akin kasi I'm not that prepared, kasi nakikita ko na grabe yung naging nila. Pero as for me, ginagawa ko po yung best ko, and you can see me on June 30 on the coronation. Ilalaban ko po ito.
Is it pressure for you na ikaw yung #1 press favorite right
yes
now?
Po. Siyempre po, marami tayong mga co-candidates na mga gwapo. They are well-built po yung katawan nila, and yet ako po yung napili ninyo ng press na manalo bilang sa ating winner. Press, darling of the press po.
Okay, what do you think is your best asset among them, among the candidates?
My smile po. Kasi maybe, yun nga po, there are a lot of questions kanina kung bakit daw ako yung nanalo. Maybe nag-resonate yung enjoyment ko and yung happiness ko dun sa inyo po na press. And maraming salamat po dahil ako pinapili.
Do you have any advocacy in joining this pageant?
Yes po, my lifelong advocacy is helping the elderly po. My father is a stroke patient and so also a senior citizen. Alam ko po yung hirap or yung pagod kung paano alagaan yung ating mga magulang na matatanda na. And gusto ko pong mas makatulong, maiabot ko po yung aking kamay, lalo na dun sa mga naiwan na ng kanilang mga pamilya po.
Okay. How will you promote Philippines in the international pageant given the chance na magka-title ka dito sa MIPH?
Yes. Using social media first, because ito po yung may pinakamalaking sakop ngayon, and if we can use it well, mapapaganda po natin ang turismo at mapapakilala natin ang magandang kultura ng Pilipinas.
Okay, can you describe yourself in 3 words?
3 words. I'm happy, and I'm handsome, distinctively handsome, and lastly, lovable.
Since you're one of the pretty face here in the pageant, kasi nga, ikaw ang press favorite, right? Given the chance na mag-join sa showbiz industry, sino yung gusto mong maka-love team or maka-work with?
It's always been Liza Soberano. Matagal ko na po siyang crush.
Given that,
can you promote your social media here, and then thanks also your supporters?
Hello po, you can follow me Eric SNJR at Instagram, and also Eric Gudelano at Facebook. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta sa akin at sa mga followers ko. I love you all. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Thank you, Eric.
Maraming salamat po.